Assalamualaikum and good morning to the panels and my friends. Today we will be presenting our final year project proposal with the title is Determination of Physical Properties of Bread Incorporated with Food Waste. So our group members consist of 4 people. That is myself, Muhammad Ikon bin Abdul Razak, Aimi Shazwani binti Musa, Aiza Sharina binti Zulkifli, Kogila Wani anak perempuan Tusami. And our supervisor is Sir Ikmal Hisham bin Abdul Halim. We will be proceed with our presentation with the first slide that is introduction, and I will pass the slide to Kogilavani.
Now I'm going to explain about the introduction. In recent years, there has been an increasing recognition of importance of food chain sustainability, particularly in the aftermath of COVID-19 in order to avoid or lessen the frequency of such good food and health crises in the future. It also has a large environmental impact, which can be reduced by lowering food waste or improving food product management methods. Bread is one of the fundamental food products necessary in human nutrition. Therefore, knowledge of the physical properties of bread has a notable utility significance for permitting optimization of production in modification of existing products and processes as well as when introducing new ones. Banana peels will be utilized to generate flour in this project, and the flour functionality will be tested when used to make whole grain bread, reducing food waste. The amount of dietary fiber, total phenolic content, and percent prevention of lipid parasitation found in banana peel flour has been observed to be high. A percentage of banana peel flour will be substituted in the chemical composition of wheat flour using this method. With a longer fermentation time, the whole meal bread would achieve adequate sensory acceptance without compromising its fiber content. Next slide. These are the objectives of our project. To determine the total dietary fiber and moisture content of banana peel flour, to determine the physical and chemical properties of bread incorporated with banana peel flour, to identify the total acceptance of bread incorporated with banana peel flour, to compare acceptance of the bread from different formulations of banana peel flour. For the next slide, I'm going to pass to my friend Gwen.
Okay, for literature review, what is food waste? Food waste is defined as quantitative waste by both the Food Waste Reduction Alliance and the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, which is edible food that was originally intended for human use but is now fully thrown. So the types of food waste, there are 3 types. First, it's food material loss during the preparation, processing, and producing phase of the food supply chain. The second one is unavoidable food waste, which is the inedible part of the food material loss during the consumption phase, such as fruit peels and the food core. The third one is the avoidable food waste, which is the edible food materials lost during the consumption phase. Which industry is the contributor in Malaysia for food waste? The most food waste was contributed from household, food outlets, hotel, food service institution, and commercial agency. In Malaysia, household are the biggest contributor to food waste at 38%. This is followed by most food court and restaurants at 23%, wet and night market at 24%, and hotel at 7%. So the average money wasted in a household of 5 people, a household of 5 people spend average of 880 ringgit and 63 cents a month for food, and that a quarter of that is is wasted during preparation, during cooking and usage. Literally about 222 ringgit 26 cents goes into the dustbin every month, which amounted to 2,646 ringgit and 10 cents a year. That is a lot. And the type of agro waste is agriculture-based company. Agriculture, there are two types of agro waste. First is agriculture-based company. Agriculture-based company produce a large number of waste. If these wastes are released into the environment without being properly disposed of, they may pollute the ecosystem and threaten human and animal health. The second one is industrial waste. A huge amount of organic waste and related effluent are produced every year through the food processing industry like juice, chips, meat, confectionery, and fruit industry. So for the method that we have choose to handle food waste for this project is upcycling food. Upcycled food are made from ingredients that would have otherwise have ended up in food waste destination. So example of upcycled food is whey protein from cheese production, increases the protein content of head bar and protein shakes, dried vegetable peels as soup ingredients, and flour from banana peel to make whole bread, that is our project. So that's all for the literature review, and we will continue with hypothesis. Okay, for the hypothesis part, there are 4 hypotheses that we have concluded. The first one is the different total dietary fiber and moisture content of banana peel flour. The second one is the different physical and chemical properties of bread incorporated with banana peel flour. The different acceptance of bread incorporated with banana peel flour. And the last one is the different acceptance of bread from different formulation of banana peel flour. And I will continue the slide with the methodologies, and I will pass on to my friend Aiza Sharina. Here.
So these are the methodologies, which is the survey we aim for Polytechnic Nilai students for 100 people. So the survey we will using 5 Likert scale. So then I will go to the flour production. So berangan banana will be obtained at near banana farm. So if the banana will steam for about 10 minutes. The purpose of steam blanchers process is to clean up the surface of dirt and organism, and then we go to the dry. So the banana peels will be dried by air oven in 50 degrees Celsius for 72 hours, and then we green by rotor mill through 45 mesh screen, or we can use a grinder machine. And then the banana peel flours was placed in glass container and store it in refrigerator temperature 6 degrees. So the bread making, we go to the mix whole wheat flour and banana peel flour. The banana peel flour we will use for about 7%, and then knead it for the dough will knead for 10 minutes and let it rise until it double size. Don't forget to cover the dough, and then shape it. Divide it into 4 parts. Each part has different treatments and percentage of banana peel flour. So for improvement, we cover it and let it rise, and then bake it for 30 to 40 minutes with temperature 200 degrees Celsius. So for the expected result, the bread will be brownish bread and has soft crumb. So I will pass on the slide to Aimi to explain about budget planning and Gantt chart.
As you can see, this is our budget for our product. We will use the banana peel to produce the flour. And we can obtain from the local farm in Seremban. Another material we will use is a bread flour, which is the price is RM4.50 per 1 kilogram. The brown sugar, RM3.50 per 500 gram. For milk powder, we will use Dutch Lady brand milk powder. The price is RM25 per 1 kilogram. The other materials we will use is salt, RM2.40 per 100 gram, water, RM2.50 per bottle, yeast, RM2 per 10 gram, and the last one is margarine. The price is RM10 per 1 kilogram. The total of budget for our product is RM49.90. And I will explain about our activity. We made a study of proposal start from December 2021 and the process of making this proposal about 2 months. We start from doing research, discuss and get advice from supervisor, and it takes 2 months to complete our proposal. In our planning, for material preparation and sample preparation, we will do in first and second week of March. Then after finish all the preparation, we will proceed with banana peel flour production. After successfully producing it, we will continue with the bread production. After the physical characteristic analysis and survey will be carried out. After finish that stage, we will proceed with doing analysis about the survey. From the analysis, we know if our product will be accepted by sensory from the respondent or not accepted. And we will do the observation to obtain the result. We expect our project will be ready by end of April. That's all from us. Thank you.